Hello and welcome to IT Kitchen Yums. Today we are making a chocolate mud cake. Dense, moist, and rich in chocolate, this cake almost has the texture of a fudge and taste of a brownie. Needless to mention, this cake is a piece of heaven in every chocolate lover's mouth. With a fat smile, let's start baking. I have set up a double boiler with 2 inches of water just simmering. Now add 70 grams of butter, 70 grams of dark chocolate, brewed coffee 45 ml or 3 tablespoons, caster sugar 100 grams. Slowly all the ingredients start melting. Whisk the mixture. Whisking helps to reduce the solids quicker. You need to continue stirring until all the ingredients have come together and forms a luscious mixture. Now remove the bowl from the heat. Let the mixture cool down. Meantime, let's prepare our dry ingredients. 110 grams of plain flour, 30 grams or 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, baking powder and baking soda 1/4 teaspoon each or 1.25 grams. Shift all the dry ingredients. Mixture has cooled down completely, to which I am adding 40 ml or 2.5 tablespoons of milk, ten ml or 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, one large egg. Mix well. Now we will add the dry ingredients, not at once but in 2 batches. Gently mix the dry and wet ingredients. The batter should be smooth and pouring consistency. Grease a 6 by 6 inch baking tin. And line it with a parchment paper. Pour the batter and tap to release any air bubbles. Preheat the oven at 150 degrees Celsius. Cake is going to take about an hour and 10 minutes to bake. In a double boiler, add 150 ml of heavy cream. We will not heat the cream directly as there are chances of overheating. Add 250 grams of semi-sweet chocolate. Keep stirring until all the chocolate gets dissolved in the cream and we are left with a silky smooth chocolate ganache. Now the next step is completely optional. Since I had some Swiss meringue sitting in my refrigerator, I am putting it to use. 200 grams of meringue and 200 grams of chocolate ganache, all at room temperature. Whisk together to form a delicious, rich, buttery, chocolatey frosting. It is about 1 hour 10 minutes since we started baking and our cake is ready. Let's check out. Well, I'm taking it out from the oven and wait. Wait till the cake comes to room temperature. Once the cake is at room temperature, demold it and cut it in 2 layers. Spread the frosting evenly on the bottom layer as well as on the top layer. Top it with some ganache. Guys, this cake is so easy to decorate. No piping bags, no nozzles, nothing. Witness how casually I'm doing mine. Yet a delicious masterpiece. Well, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. I am head over heels in love with this cake. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe, and if you have, may I expect a little thumbs up and a share maybe. Stay tuned for more recipes. Till then, take care. Goodbye.